Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. I'm Beth, and in today's video I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, today's Saturday and I'm just going to show it's a video request. Actually, someone asked to show like how much I spend on grocery and all during my grocery shopping. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm also going to show the marketplace, which I talked about in one of my videos. So yeah, right now it's just about 12 p.m. and yeah, let's go. So I already left the house now, and yep, I'm almost there. It's just like few minutes walk from the house to the marketplace, like let's say like 4 minutes ish to the marketplace, and yeah, I'm almost there. I'm going to show you guys what the marketplace looks like. So there's this bookshop that are giving out free books, and I decided to pick out one novel so to read. They're giving out free books because of the lockdown, so people can find something to do. So I decided to pick a book there. I'll show you guys the book when I get back in. All right, hey guys. So we're back home, and to be very honest, it's late already. I think it's around 5 p.m. now. But yeah, so but that was the grocery shopping. Actually, like there was no food stuff in the house, so I just felt like it was better to just do everything at once and forget about it. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what we got from the marketplace first. So at the market we got this okra and scotch bonnet. So this is the okra we got at the market, and I think it was for £1. For yeah, it's actually a lot as well, and it's worth the price, I would say. So yeah, this is like the okra. I'm just going to put everything inside the tray so you guys can see everything at one glance. So yeah, this is the okra and the scotch bonnet that we got, and I think this was really for £1.20. I mean for both. Then we got this pineapples for £2 for both of it, and strawberries, and that was everything that we got from the marketplace. Actually, I wanted to get pepper, but it's no longer available, so I was only able to purchase the scotch bonnet, and I only got 4 of it because I think it's usually very, very peppery. So for the meat and all, we got turkey fillets, then this pork shoulder. I'm going to use this for the okra. Actually, that's why I got this. Then also meat and drumstick too, because my schedule is going to be very, very tight next week, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to really have the time to cook throughout next week. So just prepare everything and keep it in the fridge. Like, so it's actually easier when we want to eat to just get something from the fridge. Then prawns, then juice. Then I also got this mackerel fish for £1.49, which is not bad in my opinion. Then this tomato puree, then onion, that's for me. Then Fanta, and I also got the spice. This no aromat. It's really, really nice. I think, yeah, it's really cool. I got these books from, remember I said a particular bookshop was giving out free books because of the lockdown and all, so people won't be boring. So I got this novel. I know it looks like a baby's novel, but whatever. I got this one and this other one, Love on the Rocks, which I hope I'm going to read. Hopefully, yeah, I should. So yeah, I got this two for free, which I think is nice. And I got the hot dogs and this moisturizing cream, A45 moisturizing cream. What else? Then yeah, butter. Then I got pepper for £1.90. This story for £1.90. I got, this is honey. Yeah, so that's honey. Then butter. This is just random air freshener. Then chocolate, wafer, milk, and yeah, that's basically it for the shopping. So in total for the food items, this receipt is for everything, like everything from Sainsbury's, but they are not all food items, so I can't really say that it's all groceries. We got like personal stuff, body cream and all of that. So I'm just going to say the total of the food items and all, and that was like £60.20 for the food items, which is not bad because, you know, the shopping is not going to be every week, so at least some of those things can still last for about a week or two. So I think £60 for going to 2 weeks is not that bad for groceries. So yeah, that's everything for my grocery shopping. I'm just going to go ahead now to cook some of these things, and if I cannot finish the cooking today, I'm just going to continue tomorrow, which is Sunday. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is how much I spent for my grocery shopping.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I'm so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make believe. Seven you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is for real.
Hey guys, good morning. So I basically could not finish my cooking yesterday. I could not finish it. Actually, today is Sunday, and yeah, I got a couple of things to do today as well. I'm going to finish up with my batch cooking. Then I plan on dyeing my hair today. You want to see that, keep watching. So I plan on dyeing my hair today. Then I want to shave my face as well. I've got hair on my face. I'm going to do that. And what else do I want to do actually? Then yeah, I have a Zoom call later in the day. Later in the day. It's actually for a YouTube video, so stay tuned for those videos. Like, you guys are going to enjoy it, trust me. So yeah, those are things I plan on doing today. Then do some washing and whatnot. That's it. So let's get right into the day. So guys, for the other chicken, I actually plan on marinating it and putting it in the oven. That's BBQ chicken. I should have done that since yesterday, but I was too tired to even think about it. So I'm just going to go ahead to marinate this one now and keep it in the fridge while I do other things. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm done with my cooking for now and I'm about to color my hair. You can see I've already combed my hair out and it's not washed. This is just residue from the gel that I used on it before. So the dye I'm using is this live dye. It's called Live, and I already removed the products in it, obviously. So it has these three products inside. This is what they call the developer lotion, and then I think this is the dye itself. Yeah, it says the color cream, if you can see that. So this is the color cream, and then this is the care conditioner, which is to be used after the oil process. So what it says is to pour this into this developer lotion and then shake it properly before applying. So I'm just going to go ahead to do that right now.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause
So the dye is already in my hair and it says to leave it for about 30 minutes, and while that is doing, I'm just going to shave my face. So I'm using this Johnson's baby powder first. So I'm going to rub down my skin first. The first time I tried this stuff, like a whole lot of things came out from it. Then I'm using this blade. So can you guys see? Like see, Hey guys, so I finished dyeing the hair, and this is what oh my goodness. This is what the color looks like. I wanted to dye it to purple, but I don't think I did not even let it take so long time before washing it off. So I'm probably going to do this again, and I'm probably going to dye the hair again. And our chicken is done. This is what it's looking like. It looks so juicy. Hey guys, so this is me editing, and I realized that I don't have an intro for this video. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, do make sure you drop a comment for me, leave a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.